Good day everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will ask the user to give a sentence, and then our program will count the number of consonants and vowels in the given sentence using JavaScript programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, subscribers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, sharing. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we have here the code HTML. The title is Count Consonants and Vowels using JavaScript, and then we have a series of CSS tags here: body, main, header 1, header 2, block, label, text area, and button. We will just like have a walkthrough of the code, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of this program. Body, header 1, consonant and vowels using JavaScript, written by yours truly, Jake R. Pomperada, MIT. In this portion of our code, we are asking the user to enter a sentence. So the ID is text content, and then we submit, and then we have here sharp from count on E prevent. So selection output, so using consonants, it will match here the vowels, count the vowels here, the length, and then count the consonants here to display the vowels and consonants count. Consonants here not equal. Okay, so and then we close the script, and then the body. Again, as I mentioned earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Okay, let us go with our program. Okay, it is running right now. Type a sentence: computer science is fun and profit. Count number of vowels 11, number of consonants 18. Another example: information technology is great. Count number of vowels 11, number of consonants 17. The word information technology, we have the number of vowels 8, number of consonants 13. Okay, so basically this is our program: count vowels and consonants, count consonants and vowels using JavaScript programming language. I hope that you have learned in this tutorial video. As I said, we'll put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.